Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. I am here with my friend Mark from Marco's Italian Restaurant. Hello, Chef.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited because the eclipse is coming, my friends, and Chef Mark is showing us how to make what?
So when you called me and said I have a challenge to make Eclipse ravioli, I'm gonna do it and we're gonna win with this one.
Let's do it.
This is great. So this is really simple. I want you to look up an easy pasta dough recipe online and bring the kids back into the kitchen because you can literally show the kids how to make this. This whole project took me less than an hour to make.
Okay.
So I have them boiling in the water and I'm gonna make the sauce, which is really simple. We're gonna add some pistachios to a warm pan. Don't make it too hot. We just want it warm. And then butter.
Okay.
Everything is better with butter, right? So this is how simple our sauce is gonna be. We're gonna stir that around, let that melt. Once that butter melts, that sage falls in love with those toasted pistachios, our sauce is done.
Amazing.
So our ravioli are boiled, they're finished. We're gonna add this. Don't be afraid if you're gonna add a little bit of the water because the starch water will add to our sauce.
And don't be afraid, my friends, wkbw.com/7life. You're gonna get the full recipe. Chef Mark hooked this up there.
We're gonna double use our lemon, little juice,
Yep.
a little zest. I'm gonna have you throw that Romano cheese right over the top. We're gonna give it a little stir. Now on the plate, I have some craters. Get it? Ricotta cheese. We're gonna add this right on top of that ricotta cheese. That hot butter is gonna melt that beautiful cheese. What else you wanna do for the eclipse? You look up, 3 minutes later, you're eating ravioli.
Oh my gosh.
What do you
look
think?
up, 10 seconds later.
10 seconds
you're
later.
eating ravioli.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is delicious. wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. This is fabulous.
Thank you.
Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.